Sara Labati, ang
Magandang
pagkaganda-ganda
hapon po.
si Sara Labati.
Wow.
Magandang hapon.
Mukhang beauty queen.
Thank
Oo.
you naman po.
Oo.
Magandang hapon din sa
Oo,
inyo.
pero
po.
ang
Queen
ganda-ganda
of
rin ang
Princess
tanong ko
Heart,
sa'yo.
oo.
Kasi ang tanong ko
Ang
sa'yo,
ganda, no?
kung bago daw kayo magpakasal ni Richard, ay balak niyo munang sundan si Zion.
Grabe naman yung
Ganda na
tanong
tanong,
niyo
no?
dito, ha? Ako naman, after Jabea, okay, right now we're really happy with Zion, with their situation, and we're trying to enjoy every moment with Zion. Honestly, he's growing up so fast, and namimiss ko nung baby pa siya, and you know, I want to spend so much time with him. I want to make sure that, you know, I see him grow up and I'm not missing out. So I think it's time for me to take one step at a time.
Pero sa
Lang yan, spacing.
Oo.
Yeah.
Pero kay Sarah, kay ba ni Richard, napag-usapan niyo yung dream wedding niyo na not this year and maybe next year or next years? Napag-usapan niyo. Ano yung dream wedding niyo?
Yeah, napag-uusapan po namin. Pero, that's all I can say. Napag-uusapan po
Here
namin.
or abroad?
Well, my dream wedding is abroad. And I want it to be intimate.
Okay.
That's
Sinabi,
my
ayun,
dream
narinig
wedding.
nyo na.
Oo,
Intimate,
family,
ha?
intimate
Abroad,
wedding
mahal.
abroad.
Mahal ang pamasahe.